how to install Bandlab on PC. So if you want to install Bandlab on your PC, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go with the search and search for Bandlab. And here you will have the website, which is www.bandlab.com. Click on that. Once you click on it, now it will take you to this kind of interface or the website. So what you need to do is simply go with the apps option, which is here on the upper right. Click on apps and then go with the desktop assistant. And here on the left side, you will have download free for Windows or download free for Mac. So I'll be choosing Windows and it will start the download process. So go with the upper right, which has that downloads, and here you can go with full download history and it will start the download process. So once it starts, just wait for some time till it gets downloaded. And now you can see that it has been downloaded, right? So you just need to simply go with the file which you have just downloaded, click on that file, and here you need to double click on it and it will start the installing process. So just wait for some time till it installs, and that's it. Your Bandlab has been installed. So you can simply go back and it will launch itself. So that's how you can install Bandlab on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.